I got a drone. Yeah. This is a DJI Spark, the smallest still in 2019, the smallest and cheapest of the DJI drones. And the footage that you just saw was actually filmed with this little guy. And yeah, I'm so happy. Anyway, I bought this, like I said, as a fly more combo, which is basically the preferred way to buy this drone, because if you just buy a drone, you will get only the drone, you will get one battery, and you will get yeah, pretty much that's it. So you're supposed to fly it with your phone, and that's not really a good idea. So when you buy a fly more combo, it comes in a little box. You get one extra battery, you get this, which is a remote controller for the drone, which is basically the biggest thing here, why you should buy this combo. And you will get charging station, you will get a nice little bag to carry it all around, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And the price here in Serbia was somewhere around 600 euros. So as a cheapest drone, it's pretty much high, but as you saw for yourself, it does a really good job. Now, basically, the drone itself has some very limited capabilities in terms of video shooting. It can only do 1080p in 30 frames per second. I think that's the only way. I don't think it's capable even of doing 24p. So that's the main issue with the drone. And the other issue is probably the battery, I think, because the flight time is somewhere around 60 minutes. But yeah, for a drone of this size, that's still pretty impressive, to be honest. Like I said, the Spark was initially meant to be used just with the phone, but that's really not a good idea, because if you're using just your phone, you have very limited possibilities there. You are able to probably fly it to 100 meters, not more than that. And with the remote, this thing can go more than 2 kilometers, which is really awesome. Anyway, the issue that I had when I first got the drone out of the box was to actually connect everything. Now, if you go to the website of the DJI website or on the forums, you'll find tutorials how to do everything. And if you buy a Fly More combo, the remote controller was actually supposed to be already paired with the drone itself, so it should work straight out of the box. But for me, that wasn't the case. The first issue that I had was to actually connect my remote controller and the drone. But whatever I did, whatever tutorial I watched, whatever instructions I followed, I simply couldn't get them connected. I did everything what I was supposed to do. Eventually, I did find one video that was able to help me. It's a set of instructions what to do in order to get all of this together, in case that nothing else really works. And it's some really crazy thing, like in the middle of rebooting, just remove the battery, then get it back in, then power it on, then reset the Wi-Fi, then again just pull out. I will leave the link to the video in the description. I will not go through that process again, but just so you know, if you have this problem, there is a video down there in the descriptions, and you can just go watch that, and it will probably help you. Now, the other issue I had once I got that sorted out, I was so happy, because you download the DJI Go app on your phone, and so far I was able to connect my phone with the remote controller, and once I was supposed to link it with the drone, nothing happened. But now finally my remote connects to the drone, but that actually creates another issue for me. Once remote is connected to the drone, the Wi-Fi connection between the phone and the remote drops. And I simply cannot see the Wi-Fi on my phone again after the remote and drone are connected. I tried a bunch of phones that I have laying around here, and none of them was able to see the Wi-Fi once the remote and Spark were connected. So at one point I even thought that maybe the remote is broken, but I came to an idea. I actually used my laptop to scan the Wi-Fi networks, and there it was. Spark RC Wi-Fi network of the remote was there, but for some reason my phone doesn't see it. Here is the solution. This is a OTG cable, and it costs, well, less than $2. So I highly recommend that the moment that you buy your Spark, just go and buy yourself one of these. It will help you a lot. Okay, step number 1, done. Connect the RC with the Spark. Step number 2, buy OTG cable. Step number 3, now you need to do something with your phone. You need to actually enable the USB debugging mode, and I will also not explain how to do that. It may be different for individual phones, but basically you just go into settings, click 7 times on something, it enables the developer mode, and then in the advanced settings you can find the USB debugging. Just click to enable it, and that's about it. But that's not all. There is a step number 4. I lost another day to actually realize one thing, that this cable actually, how they call it, it's polarized, which means that it does matter which side goes where. So what you want to do with this cable, you want to have it connected with this cable, which you, I mean not specifically this one, but you can use the cable that came with the Spark for charging. It will do. Basically you want to do this, you want to connect them, and once you have them connected, the OTG end of this cable needs to go to the remote controller. If you plug it in the phone, nothing will happen, they will not connect. And I couldn't figure out why until I found buried somewhere under a bunch of posts on a forum thread that actually it does matter. It's polarized, and this end must go to the remote controller. So if you are having issues with the OTG cable connection, then try this. Okay, that basically covers all of my problems with the Spark, and yeah, I highly recommend the Spark for someone that does not have any experience with the drone, like myself. So yeah, first time flying, and here are some more of the footage that I took on Sunday, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe, it helps, and hit the like button, it doesn't cost anything. Yeah, thank you, bye.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.